really tired now. I'll just tidy myself up, get ready for a little sleep. I didn't know the traffic was going to be so busy here. Fancy him getting me this nest box. Oh, there's another one. There it is. Oh, yeah, I just got that one. Just make a note of that. That was quite a big car. Yeah, I got that one. Oh no, I hate it when two go one after the other. This is using up all my energy. Oh, not another one. Here comes another one. Oh, I thought Birdwatch Bird was a nice little title to have, but I'm beginning to wonder now. It's absolutely exhausting, this job. Every time I try and settle down. What time do they stop round here? Oh. Actually, this corner's quite nice for a shelf. I could fit another one in there. Oh, perhaps a little picture next to it. Yeah. Not another one. There it goes. It's gone. Well, that must have been doing more than 30. I didn't even catch that one. Right, I'm going to wait and pounce on the next one. Something's coming. Something's coming. Yay! Got it. Got that number. That was going far too fast. Right. And the next one. Right, I'm going to just keep an eye out for them now.